I'll have to mention Steve-O firstly because he sat next to me, but we signed Steve-O left back, which personally I think we strengthened there. Tomo, who can play left back or left wing, he'll be a good signing for us. And then there's a couple of lads who weren't really involved as much last season through injuries and things. They're all back to full fitness and had a full pre-season, so there's been 3 or 4 players who've been new to us, even though a couple of them were there last season. So I think overall we have strengthened and we'll be better for it next season.
We've got many different like options that we have got that make threats, to be honest. Obviously Untie's injured at the moment, but when he'll be back he'll be a top threat that we have got, and he's proved it before in this league as well that he can bang a few goals in as well, so I think he'll be one of the top threats in the league.
I think to play as many games as I did last year, that'll be a personal goal of mine. Obviously I want to finish in the top 3 as well. To finish in second last year, I don't want to downgrade too much. I want to stay up there with the likes of TNS and Airbus. So yeah, just play obviously the same amount of games last year and then finish second, hopefully.
I think there's a couple that have strengthened who were probably bottom half last year. Connor's key. I think even Rill signed a few players and I think they'll have a better season. I think just generally...
Carmarthen as well, so striker from Abel.
I think just generally, on the whole, I wouldn't pick out one team. I think there's probably 3 or 4 teams that have strengthened. Newtown again, everyone says they'll be, but I think they'll be a strong side. I just think in general the whole league will be stronger for it, and I think there'll be teams that maybe finished in the top 6 last year or finished in the bottom 6, and teams who were in the bottom 6 last year will end up pushing for the top 6 and towards the top end of the table.
Me, I'll go myself first. Now, there's a good few players in the league. Obviously, you'd look towards TNS. They're top players. Maybe Wildy. He knows where the goal is. He's probably put a few in for a 5-side team for you. Keepers. Venables. He'd have to be in there. Yeah. Who else? He'll have to throw in there. He'll have to throw Untie in there as well. He'd throw a few in up top as well. Venables. You'd have. Defender. Possibly at the back. Who could be out at the back?
Kai Edwards.
If you have at the back.
He'll be my defender. Can play out from the back, good on the ball, comfortable.
Who else could we have? Airbus. Kearney. Possibly.
Only have one.
TNS. Pick the old TNS and Airbus.
I know. I think we might as well just make it all TNS, Airbus and me. That'll do.